welcome back. I know, been gone for about a month, but I have been busy on the build. As you can see, I'm done sanding and painting. Wait a minute. About 2 weeks ago, I did put out a new video of my CNC. Put it together in record time, and at the end of that video, I went ahead and did my first project, which was the light panels for the entrance to the room. So I was all happy with the design. I put the panels up when I was done, and well, take a look at the image. Yeah, that's an awful lot of lights there. And I think one of the problems is the space in between the lights is just too narrow. So I went back, redesigned it, made the space wider, and thus less lights and aesthetically pleasing to my eyeball. Yeah, so let me show you what I've been up to for the past month.
Okay, it didn't take exactly a month to do this, but it did take a long time. So, if you like what you've seen, consider subscribing, and just want to thank those who have subscribed already. It really means a lot to me. Also, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell so that you're notified when I create another video, which should be much sooner than a month, or even 2 weeks, maybe. Alright, and once again, thanks for watching.